We are doing a Japanese themed home, and part of the home is like a dining slash tea room area. So our carpenter actually did a mock-up for like an automatic table. I think it's quite cute. So let's go and see it. The heck? So I guess this is the mock-up. And then we have the remote here. I press it down. Oh my gosh. It's going down really slowly. So cute. I don't know what the middle button does, but let's see. Oh, it just stops it at wherever that you want. Okay, that's interesting. So let's go up. So it's really flexible because you can adjust the height to your liking. As it is remote controlled, it is connected to a receiver as well as connected to a power point. If you are interested to see how this table turns out, do remember to follow us and stay tuned.